Hi guys, it's going to be a very short video today. I have two beauty items that I'd like to unbox and share with you. So if you're interested in seeing what those items are, keep on watching. It's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. My channel is all about luxury unboxing, pre-loved, and on occasion some beauty products. So if you feel that this might be something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. So let's get started on this video, guys. It's going to be something from Chanel and also Dior. So guys, I think we'll start off with the smaller one first. There's Dior. I love the packaging. There is the box that it came in. So guys, you know it comes in the standard Chanel packaging. I always write myself a little note, so let's go ahead and see what this one says today. This one was back from my Valentine's Day. It said, Happy Valentine's Day 2021. Love yourself like no one else can. Sending myself lots of loves and hugs. So you can see how far behind I am in my videos, guys. But I've already posted the photo to Instagram. It's always nice to write yourself a little card, even if you're single or you're living alone. It's always nice to treat yourself with something. So guys, it came in this Chanel packaging with the receipt. Let's go ahead, guys. And you know they always give you the little samples. See which samples are in here today. This one is just a gentle eye makeup remover. So you can test them out before you purchase them, which is really nice. And then this is just a Coco Mademoiselle tester there. And this is what I got, guys. I picked up this Chanel nail polish. It says boy, and I believe it's a matte. The number is 404. Boy de Chanel, it says. I love their polishes, guys. And I got it in this beautiful matte black. Just love it. Can't wait to try it out. It's in a really nice frosted bottle. And it is a limited edition. So guys, if you want to get one, pop over and get it now because I know they're selling fast. So guys, the next one I want to show is something that I picked up from Dior. Look at the packaging. Is that not stunning? I just love all the little pink flowers, the pink bow. I love packaging. The boxes are really pretty. So let's go ahead, guys, and unbox this one. Go ahead, open it up. And there's what we got inside, guys. Take the plastic off. They gave me, oh, okay. They gave me a sample of Miss Dior, as you can see there. They also gave me a sample of Joy, which was really nice. Another sample of Miss Dior, which is really nice, as well as a sample of their Super Potent Rich Cream. Right there. And also Energy, what's it called? Cell Energy Cream. So I'm going to start off with the first one, guys, is a polish from Dior. This one is number 155. Go ahead, guys, and open this one up. Any of you guys been having a really bad hair day? I don't know what's going on with my hair, but it's just crazy. Anyway, nevertheless, this is the one that I picked up, guys. Is that not gorgeous? It's like a really light pink. Let me get the name here. The name is Chalala. Look at that, guys. Love the color. It's very, very light. Can't wait to try that. And I picked up 2 of these. This came in the Pump and Volume HD with a mascara in 090 Black Pump and also a mini red lipstick, Dior number 999. One of these is going to be given away. I'll be popping this in the mail this Saturday, and I'm not going to say who is going to receive it. I want it to be a surprise. So let's go ahead, guys, and open up one. Got one for myself and one to send away. This one originally was from their Dior Holiday collection. It does come with a full-size mascara as well as a lipstick. So let's go ahead and take out the mascara there, guys. I've never tried their mascara yet. Go ahead. Take it out of the packaging. Oh, I really like the grip on the bottom. Really nice detail on the packaging there. Let's go ahead, guys, and I'll just remove it. Look at the size of that wand. It'll coat every single eyelash. You're not going to miss anything on that one. And this one is in the black. So I will not be opening the other one. That one, like I said, is going to be a giveaway. And it also came with this little lipstick here. Mini size. In this gorgeous red color. Look at that, guys. With Dior on it. Just gorgeous. Love the color. So guys, that's what I've got to show you today. It was a very quick unboxing from a couple items from Dior as well as one from Chanel. So remember, guys, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it because that's who you are. Stay safe, guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.